Okay, Omar. Lunchtime is coming soon. Do you have your lunchbox?
Yes, I think so. Wait, I think so. Uh-oh. What's wrong? My lunchbox is missing! The blue one with the rocket sticker.
Let's not panic. We'll find it. First, tell me, when did you last see it?
This morning, I had it, then I ran, then I forgot, maybe.
Let's check step by step. Please take everything out.
Everything? Even the weird banana?
Yes, even the weird banana.
Book, socks, one toy car, two toy cars. Why do I have two? Do you see the blue lunchbox? Nope, it's not here. Okay, next place, your desk area. Lunchbox, please come out. I'm sorry.
Let's look carefully. Under the desk, behind the chair.
Hey, crumbs. Crumbs are a clue. Where do they go?
Let's follow the crumbs, slowly and safely.
Kiki is on the case. The crumbs go this way, then that way, then, oh no, they stop.
That's okay. Sometimes clues stop. Let's check nearby. Miss Lina, can I check my locker, please?
Yes, please open it. No lunchbox. Just my gym shoes. They smell like sadness.
Let's try another place. Where did you go after you arrived?
I ran to the playground for 1 minute. Let's check the bench and around the slide. Dust, a leaf, and Kiki. Don't eat that.
Omar, please check your pockets too.
Pocket, empty. Other pocket, also empty. Third pocket, wait, why do I have so many pockets?
No lunchbox here. I also stopped at the water fountain.
Oh, please be careful. The floor is a little wet.
Slow feet, fast brain.
Kiki says, wet is rude.
Did you put your lunchbox down here?
Did I place it here for 1 second? I don't
That's
remember.
okay. Let's check the next place you visited.
Let's speak quietly here. Okay.
A little quieter, please.
Okay. I sat at that table earlier.
Let's look under the table and behind the chair.
A rocket sticker. That's from my lunchbox.
Great clue. So the lunchbox was near this table.
Blue dots, like my lunchbox color.
Could be a clue. Or just paint. Let's check lost and found. Sometimes things end up here.
Hello, box. Please give me my lunch. It's a blue jump rope, not my lunchbox. My stomach is writing a sad poem.
We'll solve it. Let's think. What's special about your lunchbox?
It's blue with a rocket sticker, and it smells like...
Like what?
Like peanut butter sandwiches. Whoa, Kiki, what do you smell?
Kiki smells something. Let's follow her carefully.
Detective Kiki, lead the way.
Good teamwork. Keep your eyes open.
She found something. I think she found something.
Let's check carefully. Please move the cushions one by one.
1 cushion, 2 cushion. Take your time. Oh. My lunchbox. Wonderful. Where was it? In the cushion bin. I sat here and I put it down and forgot. That happens.
Next time, you can say, I will put it in my backpack right away.
I will put it in my backpack right away. Thank you, Miss Lina. Thank you, Detective Kiki.
You're welcome. Now please wash your hands and enjoy your lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Soap, then rinse. Good job.
Lunchbox, don't run away again. Good plan.
All right, find a spot anywhere you like.
This one looks good. Case closed.
Yes, great teamwork. I liked how you asked politely today.
I tried. Polite words are my superpower. This time, I'm putting it right here.
Perfect.
Ah, peanut butter sandwich. Hello, my friend. Enjoy your lunch, Omar. And good job, Detective Kiki.
Bye, Miss Lina.
You did it, Kiki. You're a snack. You're a star. Next time, backpack right away. Right away. Best lunch ever, because we found it. Okay, Detective Kiki. One crumb. That's it. We still have time. Eat slowly. No rushing. You stay right here. This is your spot. Your safe spot. Thanks for helping me, Kiki.
How's everything going?
Great. Lunchbox is safe.
I'm glad to hear that.
If you need help, what can you say?
Can you help me, please?
Perfect. Detective Omar, reporting for lunch.
Very impressive.
Rocket sticker. Don't fall off again. Backpack. Right away. Double check. No more mysteries today. Kiki, next time, remind me, okay? We did it! Good job, partner.
Welcome back, Omar. Did everything go okay?
Yes. Lunch is done, and the lunchbox is inside my backpack.
Want to see? I can show you.
Yes, please.
Great job. It's right there. Safe spot. Backpack.
Detective Kiki, you deserve a medal.
Today you did something important. You stayed calm and you asked for help politely.
I felt worried, but it helped to look step by step.
Say it one more time. I will put it in my backpack right away.
I will put it in my backpack right away.
Right away, so I don't forget.
And I will stop carrying, surprise socks.
That's a good plan.
If you lose something again, you can also check Lost and Found.
Yes, I will check there. And I will ask politely. That means... Case closed.
I'm proud of you, Omar. You solved a problem in a smart way.
Thanks, Miss Lina. I couldn't do it alone. Bye! And remember, backpack right away.
Have a good day, Omar.
You too. Thank you. Kiki, tomorrow we don't lose anything, okay? She's saying bye. Mystery solved!